Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneur moms with a digital presence. If you've wondered whether using Instagram Reels makes sense for your business, hopefully by the time you've finished watching this video, you'll understand why you should use Instagram Reels. So be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get real-world help that entrepreneur moms like you need to succeed when you're doing business online today. Let's get right into it, mama. Sweet organic reach. Instagram Reels has dropped in the United States just recently and has been in other countries, such as France, Germany, and India weeks before that. It's the hot new darling in the Instagram ecosystem. So trust me when I say that if you're quick to jump on the Instagram Reels trend, you're going to get some sweet bonus algorithmic reach for your posts on Instagram overall. You can end up on the Explore page harder and faster. Your Reels is going to be pushed out into your account followers' feeds more. Instagram's algorithm is going to give you priority treatment for playing with its newest toy. Think about it. Every time Instagram has a new sticker for stories, it does well. It gives you more of a boost overall. And after a time, the extra algorithmic boost, no matter how you originally enjoyed it, gets reduced, or to put it another way, there's a sunset or reduction in the reach. But that could be a while when it comes to Reels. Think about it. You're helping Instagram beat up its competitor, TikTok. Facebook Inc., which owns Instagram, owns 4 out of the top 5 apps right now. You just know Mark Zuckerberg does not like not having that 5th. IGTV is the Facebook Inc. corporate umbrella's answer to YouTube. Yes, that's a long-term play, but corporate's willing to take the long view and be patient on that front. Instagram Stories was the answer to Snapchat, right? Facebook Inc. couldn't buy Snapchat for $1 billion, so in short order, they duplicated the features, and now it's like, Snapchat who? Reels is the Facebook Inc. corporate umbrella's answer to TikTok. Take advantage of it. I bet you the supersonic reach you can enjoy today won't exactly be going away tomorrow or anytime too soon. If you miss this awesome window of opportunity, you could be sorry, mama. Get the boost, ride the trend, and publish some Reels immediately. Digital deja vu. In short, if you've used TikTok in the past, you'll have Instagram Reels down pat in like minutes. That's how similar the two are, period. And if you've ever published an Instagram story before, then you know how you can take a piece of content you create in there and add text, stickers, and more. Well, you can take your Reels video and trick it out Instagram story style. Super simple. Can you believe it? The learning curve is like nothing when you think about it, and you get all that reach. Nice. Double your publishing power. You're not just publishing in the Instagram feed when you publish a reel. You can publish that sucker to your Instagram story as a piece of story content, and you get a new little icon designation above your post feed, right alongside IGTV and the little icon of a person for your @ mentions, and voila, another sector of Instagram conquered by you. And of course, you can save your newly minted reel to your camera roll to reuse as you please as you continue your content creation journey. Now, if you're like, but how can I use Reels to market my business, Stacey? I'm not trying to be an influencer, you know. I'm like, I hear you. That's why I have an Instagram Reels series rolling out on my YouTube channel. So you better subscribe and check out my live streams to get answers to your social media marketing questions, mama. So make sure you hit that notification bell and select all so that you can follow along with this entire Instagram and Instagram Reels series that I've got to offer you. In the meantime, while you're waiting for that next video, be sure to check out these two awesome videos as well. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me a lot when you do that. And of course, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.